The Advanced Calculator widget is a new addition to our arsenal. This is a first ever feature brought to you by solely Element Pack Pro. It's a user interactive cost calculation system. Let's click on the first value item to see the options inside. Here you can set the type of calculator field from the 6 types: text, number, hidden, disabled, select, and radio. Let's choose select type. Give a title text and then put the text with value number in the options field. Use a pipe chart to let the calculator count the value. It won't count otherwise. A new line means a new option. You can also mention the value within the options using anything other than the pipe chart in front. Let's add up to 4 options for now. For the second field, we'll keep the settings similar and work with the hosting prices. Next, click on the Add Item button and go with number type this time. Add a level and keep it there. On the 4th item, let's go with Select again, adding a level and some options in the field. Next, we'll add a disabled field. This will help you display a fixed value that the user can't change. Let's add label and then from the advanced subsection, place a default value that the calculator will count. In case you want to hide the labels, you can do it from the form layout. It also has content alignment options and input field size. Time for the most vital part of the Advanced Calculator widget. In the formula section, you need to define the algorithm of the calculator using mathematics. Here, F means field, alongside a number according to the order. This is a sophisticated area that supports dynamic and complex mathematics as well. You can go with simple calculations or go for something more complicated if you need. There's no limit. Then you can change the result text from this section below. Then again, you can display error text for wrong calculator data input using this field here. Moving on to the Style tab. The first scroll bar lets you adjust the field space of the form. There's also the column space option there if you use columns for the form fields. Next, you can change the label spacing on the fields and further increase the length of the calculator form. Let's change the text color of the labels. Also, try using a unique font for the labels using the typography option. Then you can customize the fields using colors from the next section. Let's add a border around the fields and lower the color visibility a bit. Add some padding to the fields to make them appear nicely. Don't forget to change the typography. The Submit button is right below the calculator form. Let's try changing its dimension through typography. Also, let's pick a similar color for the button background. To make the button appear as full width, simply go for the Content tab and change the button alignment to Justified. Now, the button will cover the whole width of the calculator fields. You can also customize the padding for the button. Just try something new and fun. Then, change the hover color for the button into something deeper. You can also go for a hover animation from the option at the bottom. Next, let's change the color of the result text. Use a different font for this to highlight the results better. And lastly, use this section to customize the error text. That's it. Now access the advanced calculator form to see how it performs. Just go with the flow. That's all about the advanced calculator widget. We also made some demo templates to help you understand the various uses of this advanced calculator widget. Just visit the demo page. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.